Is MaMlambo leaving Uzalo? It seems Uzalo actress Gugu Gumede, who portrays the character of MaMlambo, is leaving the popular SABC one sudser. The actress has had an illustrious career on the small screens. She has become a household name with a legion of fans. There is not much mention of MaMlambo in the November teasers of the show, and speculations are mounting that Gugu's journey on the show has come to an end. There is an indication that her storyline has been discontinued, as she will be arrested for kidnapping baby Simangaliso. A lot of dramatic twists and turns will unfold, and Madam Grandma Madlala will discover her secrets. MaMlambo will be busted and sentenced to 15 years in prison. Although there hasn't been an official confirmation that she is leaving the show, she also has a keen interest in politics. Gugu, who recently lost her mother, has promised to carry on her legacy. Speaking at an NFP's manifesto launch, she told supporters that she is available if they need her anytime. When I am here, I am not MaMlambo, but a proud NFP member. This is the party that was led by a leader without a single corruption mark against her, a true definition of a leader, quote, she said, as quoted by Daily Sun. Seeing you here really brings me so much joy and a lot of emotions, because I believe my mother left very early without seeing us getting back what we lost when we were intentionally disqualified from the 2016 elections, quote, she continued. She also slammed the Zululand district municipality. We are going to vote, and we will vote for the NFP. We will get everything that belongs to us. For 5 years, the Zululand district municipality has failed to deliver basic services. Our time has come to take over where we left when we lost power. If you need me, I am available, and I can go anywhere you need me. We can't let Njinji's legacy die, promised Gugu. Gugu's mom Zanel Kamagwazam Saibi lost her life due to cardiac arrest linked to the pandemic. Words will never be enough to express our appreciation for the love and affection that she single-handedly raised us with. We never lacked, and when the opportunity presented itself, we ensured that she never did too, and we are appreciative of this. We thank God that she lived long enough to watch her children be successes in their own rights, and bless her for it in return. Today, we are at peace knowing that she rests with the knowledge that she was loved and appreciated immensely. Gugu wished her mother a peaceful send-off. Hamba Yungweo. Our hearts are in shambles, but we remain as strong as you are. I am so proud to be your daughter, Mankondo. I'll always walk tall. You did it.